In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a coupon in Systemi.io. We'll start from the dashboard and go through the full process of creating a coupon and then attaching it to your sales funnel order form so customers can actually use it at checkout. This is a simple setup, but it's important to complete both parts correctly. First, creating the coupon itself and then linking it to the right funnel step. Once you're on your Systemi.io dashboard, click on Assets and then select Coupons. This is where all of your coupon codes are managed. From there, click Create to make a new coupon. You'll now fill in the coupon details. First, enter an internal name. This is just for your own reference, so choose something that helps you recognize the offer later. Next, enter the actual coupon code your customers will type during checkout. Make sure it's easy to read and remember. After that, choose the discount type. You can select either a fixed amount or a percentage. A fixed amount is great if you want to subtract a specific value from the price, while a percentage works well if you want the discount to scale with the product price. Then enter the discount amount, which is simply the value of the discount you want to apply. Once everything looks right, click Save. At this point, the coupon has been created, but it still needs to be connected to the correct order form inside your funnel. Next, go back to the dashboard, click on Sites, and then choose Sales Funnels. Open the funnel where you want this coupon to be available. Inside that funnel, select the specific order form step you want to edit. On the configuration or settings page for that order form, scroll down until you reach the coupon section. In that area, click on the highlighted option and then click the plus icon to add a coupon setup. You'll then choose your discount type and after that, select the specific coupon code you just created. This step is what ties the coupon to that order form, so be sure you choose the correct one if you have multiple codes in your account. Finally, click Save to apply the changes, and that's it. Your coupon is now added in Systemi.io and connected to your funnel's order form. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to double-check the order form afterward to confirm the coupon appears and works as expected. That way you can be confident your customers will have a smooth checkout experience.